Why are you surprised?
Grasshopper. And I just took a quick fake shower. I'm not gonna lie, I took a fake shower. Luzet's here, guys. Hello, I'm back.
You thought you ate that? Bitch,
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with your favorite YouTuber, Sorties. Not self-promotion, I'm gonna be your favorite YouTuber, okay? Wait and see. So, I've been gone for like 2 months.
stupid bitch. Stupid bitch.
Yeah, I know, but I've literally, like, a lot has been happening, okay? Like, a lot has happened, and I got updates for you guys, okay? I really got updates for you guys. Before we actually get into this video, I have been filming like a couple of shorts, like, of things that have been happening for the past 2 months. I have footage. I'm gonna share it with you right now, and let's get into the video.
And why are you surprised? It's not even, you must tell your mother.
This is what I got. Ndakunembora tamuchani. Louis Vuitton. Back to the look. Oh, yeah, mate. Don't pay attention to the hair. So, what is it? Welcome. Put on the feed. What am I even doing? Ndo kakak kemarin kakak kan kayak apa? Say hi, babies. Look at this doggy. Look at this baby. Ndo kakak. Sak, ndawi. Happy birthday.
There's my phone.
So what did you think of the update? Anyway, starting off my day with some chili picking. Chili. Look at that, you guys. What is that? Is that a grasshopper? I don't even know. Is that a grasshopper? I got the chilies. Second thing on the agenda is breakfast. But before I even attempt to make breakfast, I literally have to clean. I have to clean my house, like the kitchen. Look how messy the kitchen is. Oh my god. Literally I have to clean this up. So guys, this is what I am having for breakfast. Rice, leftover rice from last night, and fried eggs. So I just got a call from my friend Luzet, and She told me that she wants to go visit our old dance group. The dance group is called Omaleshe, and we practiced at the youth center like every Tuesday and Thursday. Dance classes are like completely free, and I just took a quick fake shower. I'm not gonna lie, I took a fake shower, okay? So I took a quick fake shower and quickly just got dressed up. I'm gonna meet her in a while. I put on the shoes. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, yeah, let's go for dance classes, guys. Remember, oh, look at this chick looking all flawless, ready for the dance. Okay, my friend, I see you. Luzet's here, guys.
So don't be. Look what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out. Down.
Done
Hey
for the
guys,
day.
we are done today.
Just got a snack. Ah, guys,
Snacking on Doritos, huh?
I'm so exhausted. This dance thing.
See you on Tuesday.
Tuesday for in,
You know?
for dancer. It depends. It depends. We're done with this session. See you at home. Say bye.
Bye guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.
And check out my friend's YouTube channel. Oh my god. So I took a bath. I had dinner. Guys, that dance was so exhausting. By the way, like the dance that you saw us do, it was like a South African traditional dance. We don't really, let me say, it's not just the only dance that is being, I don't know, that's not the only dance they teach there. Yes, they also teach like we dance with music, only that I didn't actually vlog that part because my phone was so low, like it was so low, so I didn't get the chance to vlog. But they do music, they do Afro pop, they do a piano. Yes, I definitely encourage you to go check it out. Like you should check out Omaleshe if you are around Oshakati, or if you are in Oshakati. Then if you want to get fit and you want to have fun at the same time, definitely check out Omaleshe every Tuesday, Thursday from 2 p.m. Youth Center Oshakati, guys, So I'm just gonna have a movie. I'm gonna watch a movie recommended by my friend Nima. I don't know, I think it's a horror movie. I'm not a fan of horror movie. It's a Korean horror movie. Good night and goodbye. See you next time.